Hello, everybody. Well, I haven't got depressed lately, but how I started is when you're depressed, grab hold of chicken. This is mine and Pinkie Pie's friend, Pinkie.
Can you say hi?
And she's kind of leery of it because it pecked her. He's not too friendly sometimes. Don't peck my nose. Please, do not peck my nose. Anyways, we're just gonna let y'all know they have been getting bigger. So you gonna look at the camera now? They've been helping me cheer up, so. And yes, I know a lot of people, service dog handlers have noted, and other people have noticed that I am a Christian. I have been believing that God's created me to do what I do. Oh, there's Pinkie. You say hi, Pinkie? Seriously, look. You still got that sore from the chicken. She got a sore on her nose right there from the chicken. You gonna say hi, Pinkie? Say hi. You're too interested in chickens, huh? She's watching them very carefully because the cats. Well, we're gonna let you know that we're gonna keep trying to do videos every day. We might not be able to sometimes, but we'll try our best to do it. So, hope y'all have a very good day, and God bless you all.